Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious party ribs. First, let's get those ribs ready. You'll want to remove the thin membrane from the back of each rack. This makes them much more tender. Next, apply a generous amount of your favorite dry rub all over the ribs, ensuring even coverage. Then, let them rest for at least 30 minutes, allowing those wonderful flavors to really soak in before cooking. Now, for the cooking method, we're going for low and slow. Set your oven or smoker to a consistent 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the ribs using indirect heat to ensure they cook evenly and don't burn. After about 2 to 3 hours, wrap the ribs tightly in aluminum foil. This step is crucial for trapping moisture and making them incredibly tender, continuing to cook them for another 2 hours. Almost there, once your ribs are tender, it's time for the finishing touch. Carefully unwrap them from the foil and generously brush your favorite barbecue sauce over all surfaces. Return the sauced ribs to the heat for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the sauce to caramelize beautifully, creating a sticky, flavorful glaze that everyone will absolutely love. Keep an eye on them to prevent burning. The final and very important step is resting. Once your ribs are done, let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes before you even think about slicing. This helps the juices redistribute, ensuring every bite is moist and flavorful. Then, slice them between each bone for perfect, individual portions. Serve your delicious party ribs with your favorite side dishes and enjoy the compliments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.